change in consistency. Maybe you guys looked at the change in temperature, like you guys said, or the rate at which things decompose. So what you guys are doing, and what you guys just did, is real science. You set up something, you change something, and you saw what happened. Right? And you guys really went through the scientific method, the process that allows you to kind of answer questions. If you don't know something, that's how you're going to find the answers. Right? You're going to set these situations up and change something. How many of you took temperature? Was it fun to use the probe?
Yes.
Yeah? It's kind of gross. Why? Because you had to stick something in there? Right.
Do we have any eye wonders about the temperature along the way?
Yeah.
Who's got an eye wonder? All right, okay. Go ahead.
Ours was in the freezer, and somehow the apple was the coldest. And
The apple was the coldest. Okay.
and ours apparently was one of the hottest, and our apple was the hottest, but in theirs it was the coldest. So.
Interesting.
So what's your eye wonder?
Why is the apple both the hottest and the coldest?
I have a hypothesis. Did you guys talk about hypothesis? Hypotheses? Hypothesize? Is the correct word to say.
Hypotheses, yeah.
Hypotheses. So, I have an idea of what I think the reason for that is. Okay? And so I'll propose it, and then maybe, I don't know if you have enough time later on sometime this year, maybe on your own, if you're sitting there in summer and really bored, maybe you guys can figure out another test and see if I'm right. But I hypothesize this. Do you guys know where on Earth the most extreme temperatures are, where it gets really hot and really cold?
Yes.
Where? The inner core, okay. How about on the surface of the Earth? That's a good point. On the surface of the Earth, any environment that you could live on, where would get the biggest change in temperature on a given day? Near the equator? Okay, yeah, absolutely, because you have lots of sun coming in.
Would it be the coldest of the cold?
Coldest of the cold, huh?
No. They're at the top of one with Earth because they get the least sunlight.
Wow, you guys come up with all sorts of crazy ideas. These are really good ideas. So you got the top, what do you mean, top of the North Pole? North Pole and South Pole, okay. Yeah, so you've got North Pole, South Pole, big extremes in temperatures. All right, I'm going to try to guide you a little bit because I didn't ask my question very well. My question is very poorly worded. I'm going to give you a couple. Right, has anyone ever lived in, like, the desert? You guys know what the desert is? Ish. All right, near the desert. Did you guys notice when sort of the night came?
Yeah.
Especially in the summertime, especially in the wintertime. Did it get cold in the desert?
Yeah.
I grew up thinking the deserts were always hot. Really hot. All right.